Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to copy formula in Google Sheets file. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets document file. Firstly, then I show the Google Sheets formula text is the format formula. This formula is from the copy. Now select from the alt text formula. Now click for the mouse right button option, then click for the copy option. Then formula copy from the paste in here. Now for place, now click for the new place. Then going to the edit menu option, then click for the paste special option. Now click for the formula only option. Now click for OK. That's it. Then I show the copy formula in Google Sheets file. It's very easy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my